What if I told you that everything you've been taught about sales, marketing, and business are altogether wrong? Because the same information you've been exposed to are the same information that's keeping you away from your sales goals and keeping you away from your financial goals. Imagine you have been exposed to tips, tricks, strategies, and quick fixes instead of focusing on the principles that move the money needle. No wonder, according to the Bureau of Labour Statistics, it says that 20% of businesses fails within the first year and 50% of businesses fails within the first 5 years. And that's because they have been ingesting same poison over and over and over again. But in this video, I am going to be giving you the antidote by giving you 3 secret master keys that unlock sales in any business. And mind you, this is not just something that is cooked up by ChatGPT or a generic guru. No, this is something that is actually well researched and it is the secret of the legendary marketers. I'm talking about the 1% of the 1% marketers, people who have generated millions and hundreds of millions of dollars for themselves and for their clients. And in this video, I am going to be giving it away for free. Just make sure you like the video, you comment, and you subscribe. Hi, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Favor, and what I do on this channel is I help businesses and individuals build money-making machines, systems, or assets that pose in consistent cash flow for them to fund their dream lives. And if you're a business owner and you want to 10x, 20x your sales and profits, this is the right channel for you. So make sure you like the video, you hit the subscribe button, and you turn on the notification bell to get notified of new episodes. And if you watch till the end, I am going to be giving you a free gift that is going to change the history of your business forever. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. The first key is understanding your target market. No two markets are the same. Each market are facing different problems that requires different solutions in different forms and packages and in different sizes. So you need to fully understand your target market in order to be able to unlock maximum sales. Most businesses just create products and they think that it's going to sell. No, you need to be able to understand your target market. What exactly is their problem? How do they want the solution to be, and what prices do they want it to be? So you have to understand your target market to be able to fully create products and to tailor it directly to their needs and wants. So here are 3 criteria that you have to put in place when unlocking your target market. The first one is the geographics. Where exactly are your target markets located? Are they located in the rural area or in the urban area? The second one is the demographics. This is talking about their age, their gender, the marital status, and their financial capacity. So you need to understand their age. Are they male? Are they more of male and female? Their age. Are they young or old? Then their marital status. Are they married or single? Then their financial status. Are they rich or are they okay? This will give you a good understanding of what your market wants, help you to tailor it to them. Then the last one is psychographics. What do they buy and why do they buy what they buy? By putting these 3 things in place, you'll be able to understand more about your target audience and to create solutions and also to market it effectively to them. So the advantage of understanding your target markets is that it will help you tailor your products directly to them and also take you above the competition, because you'll be creating much more products, the product that they want, and it will help you to sell more and more and more. So in order to fully understand your target market, here are some questions that you need to ask yourself. The first question is, what is the market's greatest desire? Once you are able to understand their desire, you'll be able to tailor your products and communicate it effectively as what fulfills their desire. And the second question is, what is their biggest problem? What is their biggest problem? What are they been fighting to solve? And the third question is, what is keeping them up awake at night? Understanding this will help you tailor your products and also market it effectively as what solves their ultimate problem. Now, the second key is crafting a compelling message. Now that you've understand your target audience, the next challenge is crafting a compelling message. And this is where a lot of people make mistakes. They all think that their customers are interested in their facts and features. No, your target market are not interested in your facts and features. They are interested in what the product is going to do for them. And that is why they said all customers listen to one FM, which is WIIFM. What's in it for me? They need to know what exactly the product is going to do for them and why should they buy from you. So in case you are confused and you don't know what to go about it, the answer is very simple. Look into your story. What is the story behind your brand? What is the story behind your product? What is the inspiration behind the solution? Look into your story, and by that you'll be able to tell them who you are, what your product is, what your product does, how it works, and why should they buy from you. Once you are able to understand these three things, you'll be able to communicate your product effectively to them in such a way that they will be interested in buying. So instead of you begging them to buy, they will be the one begging you to sell to them. In order to also fully craft a compelling message, here are some questions that you need to ask yourself. The first one is, what will I say? How will I say it? And why should I say it? This is a 3-in-1 magical question that unlocks what you should say, how you should say it, and the purpose of saying it. Because having a message and knowing how to say it without the purpose of saying it, it is not going to have any impact in the marketplace. You need to understand the purpose. What is the purpose of the message? Do you want to create awareness? Do you want to make sales? Do you want to generate leads? Or you are giving them a free gift? Second question is, how can I make it interesting and how can I make it compelling to the marketplace? This is actually where you add additional spice to your message. Having fully understand your target market, how they work, their behaviors, their age range, and every other details that you have about them, you will be able to add additional spice. What extra story can you add to your message to make it more interesting and compelling to them? Note, the aim of every message is to make it intellectually interesting and emotionally compelling to them. The third key is delivering your compelling message via the right media. Now that you've unlocked the first and the second key, which means you already understand your target audience, you have a compelling message. The next one is to unlock the third key, which is delivering the message via the right media. Because there's no point in having a great product and having a good message and messaging it via the wrong media. This is where a lot of people make mistakes. They just believe that they should do what everybody is doing. To be honest, your target market might not be on every platform. They might actually be on a particular platform. Here is what you need to do. You have to do a little bit of research to find out where your target market are actually hanging out. Find out where they are gathered and go find them. That is the secret to it. So if they are on Facebook, go to Facebook and market to them. If they are on Instagram, go to Instagram and market to them. If they are on YouTube, take your product to YouTube, market to them. And maybe there are older generations that they listen to more video and watch televisions. What's stopping you? Take the products to them, market to them, and take your money. It's as simple as ABC. So there you have it, the 3 secret master keys that unlock sales in any businesses. The first is the market, the second one is the message, and the last is the media. So 3M strategies: the message, market, media. So make sure you write it down and make good use of it. Yeah, and for sticking to the end, here's my free gift for you. It's a free guide that will teach you how to make your business an everyday cash machine. It contains unconventional secret principles and strategies of legendary marketers and how you can unlock your business in such a way that it generates more demand, and instead of you begging people to buy from you, they'll be the one to beg you to sell from you, or ultimately your business becomes an everyday cash machine. Click the first link in the description below to grab your own copy now. Make sure you make good use of it and thank me later. And before you go, make sure you like the video, you subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get notified whenever you release new episode. And also stay profitable.